Hi, my name is Nicole. Today, I'm introducing you another tool to build Bootstrap website quickly. It's with Layoutit. You can visit to layoutit.com in order to build your pages. Just hit on Bootstrap Builder button. Then the page will lead you to the builder itself. I would say Layoutit give you the simplest form and way to basically let you to build up the Bootstrap. As you can see, this is a sample page that you already have a row with a column and with a navigation bar and with another row with 3 columns with the headings and the wrap-up. So let's take a look at the tool itself. Why I say this is what you see is what you get, and also drag and drop software, because this you can basically wherever you want you can just drag. Alright, so if you have previous knowledge with a Bootstrap, you will know that in order to use the library you need to create rows and columns. So first we take a look at the grid system. Here you have a row with 12 columns width. You can basically drag it. So let's say you want to have a box with a row and it occupies the whole width of 12 columns, you can drag it. If you want to have a row with 2 columns and the first column take about 6 column width, the second column take about another 6 column width. This is how it will look like. And 8-4, you can have uneven column width. The numbers here says we have 1 row and 2 columns. The first column take about 8 columns width. The second column take about 4 columns width. Means that we have a bigger box and we have a smaller box. Drag it to the stage. As you can see, 1 row, this box is much bigger than this. You can also have more columns by entering more numbers. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3 numbers, means got 3 boxes or also 3 columns. When you can enter my own, let's say I want to have 6 columns, and then I will have 2 space 2 space 2 space 2 space space 2. Means that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and each column take about 2 columns width. As simple as that. So basically, you look at the stage, you can basically change the order, drag it up and down in order to shuffle which one to appear first, and also it can be nested like what we have created. The 6 columns here, we actually put inside the box of this column, and it becomes nested column or nested block. So if you want to remove, you can basically remove. You can remove unnecessary rows and blocks and so forth. That's about the grid system. Let's take a look of the base CSS. You can add a title, paragraph, address, block code, and order list, description, table, form, button, anchor button, image by drag and drop. Let's take a look at the components, that button groups, drop down, and so forth. And let's take a look at the JavaScript. Alright, you have a model, you have a navigation bar, you have the tabs, alerts, collapse, and carousel. Let's drag the carousel on the stage. Then you will have the carousel look like this. So if you want the carousel appear after the navigation bar, make sure you drag it to rearrange the order. Let's go down, move down, and change the content. You can change the typography, the text, by you just single click And then besides you say hello world, stay safe, and stay at home. Today is 30th of March 2020. It is still under movement controlled order, MCO. I hope everyone is healthy and happy working from home. This is a greeting in the age of coronavirus. Stay home and stay safe. So you change your content, even the button you can change. Oops. As I say, when you change your content, as usual, you should not delete everything. You must add on in between, go in between the word. Say today infection cases. Alright, so maybe I will just change it. Learn more about today's infection cases. Alright, so you are good. You have basically changed the content using this builder, the web tool itself. And you can basically just change the heading, the hospital scene, and blah blah blah. So immediately after you have basically add on the content, including the elements that you wanted, you can basically done with the page. You are good to hit download button, and it will give you the HTML code. Please make sure you download the whole zip file, then it will give you the entire working folder. So after you download the zip file, it's basically here. The whole web page is here. Make sure you rename this SRC as your project. So you can name it as coronavirus project. Alright, talk about coronavirus, and this is your web page. You can basically open it and take a look. How does it look like? This is the page that you have created on the page, and you can do more when you can use the editor to change it, or before you save the page, you can basically use the builder to change. the content. That's all. This is a simple lesson on how to use Layoutit Builder for Bootstrap website. Bye. Do remember to subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Bye.